I'm going to talk about exponential growth. Exponential, as a quick reminder, is when we multiply a number by itself. Like doubling is a good example. 10 doublings we get to more than 1,000, whereas with 10 linear steps we would just get to 10. What's interesting here is that information technology is showing this kind of growth. So maybe you heard about Moore's law. Gordon Moore is a co-founder of Intel, and he described this observation that the number of transistors in an integrated circuit is doubling every 2 years. The interesting thing here is that this progress has been going on not just in the last 40-something years, but since the beginning of time. And we see the same progress not just in personal computing, but in any technology that is fundamentally an information technology. And we will look at some examples of what these are. So this is due to what Ray Kurzweil calls the law of accelerating returns. The idea is that we use technology to invent new technology, therefore we get always better in progressing. To learn more about the subject, I would suggest Ray Kurzweil's best-selling book, The Singularity is Near. One result of this technological progress is that ideas spread way more quickly. One way to look at it is to see how long it takes to create a billion-dollar company. In some cases, it's less than a year. So what does this mean? K-12, elementary school and high school, it's 12 years. And the next 12 years will bring not as much change as the last 12 years did, but more, maybe double more. 100 years ago, if you were a peasant or a farmer, it was probably enough to train your children everything that you knew, and they would get by fine. But it's no longer the case. And it's not even about teaching them to make a living in today's world. They will have to make a living in a world that's 12 or more years away from now.